How's it going, everybody? It's your boy SamG, and it is a new beginning for my YouTube channel, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. Before I tell you all about it, I am gonna go downtown and develop some film because I just shot a roll of film and maybe put a new roll in, and we're gonna go to that right now. So my battery's dead for the camera, so I just gotta go to Ace Hardware to get a new battery, so that was a little anticlimactic, but hopefully the film turns out sick. So my film camera may be dead, it may not be, so I gotta go back to the other camera store, see if they can fix it. If not, that might be my last roll of film, we'll see. So, went back to the photo store. My film camera is unfortunately dead. I got it for $30 in Australia, so I knew it was gonna die at some point, but I was not expecting it to die right now. So what happened is the shutter got stuck mid-photo when I was like reeling the film in. Reeling the film in, and it is done. I am now just straight digital, I guess, for the time being until I can, you know, get another film camera, but just gonna go home and cry.
Oh, darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again.
I don't know about you, but I don't really want to wait to get home, so I think I'm just going to go right now. That's so much better than taking the bus. So yeah, I'm back at the house now. It was a fun little trip out there, even though it was a little sad that my film camera shutter has broken, but that's all right. It's just, you know, I got it for literally $30 in Australia just so I could, like, you know, mess around with the film camera, and the fact that I got like 4 or 5 rolls of film from it, I count that as a win. But yeah, basically the whole point of this video is essentially to show you guys that I am going with a new direction for this channel. So there's gonna be a lot less skateboarding, and there's also gonna be a little bit less travel videos because I have no money to travel, and you need money to travel. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I have a bunch of really cool video ideas. I'm going to be doing an art expose series. I have a lot of friends that are really amazing and do a lot of really cool creative stuff that I really want to showcase. I'm going to try and be sprinkling out like once a month, maybe once every 2 weeks, just like a little cool documentary series. I'm going to be going throughout the city as well and showing you fun things to do in the city affordably, and just little things that like people who, you know, aren't just tourists can actually enjoy and have a good time. Like residents here can really dig it. And I'm also going to be doing tutorials on Premiere Pro, Lightroom, just like little things that I've been able to do working with for years that I feel like could help you all out, just like little things here and there. And also little tricks and tips for getting new equipment affordably, because I don't have any money and I'm still being able to get little equipment here and there, little things that they're not obviously what I would prefer to use, but it is better than nothing. And the more you use these types of things, like the better of a filmmaker and photographer you will be. So I'm really excited to have all these different types of videos. It's gonna be a good year. I have a really good feeling about 2018. This is just, you know, an update video. Hopefully you all are intrigued at least and would like to join me, and we can maybe create a little community here on YouTube. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to do something a little fun. I'm gonna put like a couple edits I've made just, you know, after this, so it's not just me talking and just having a camera break essentially on camera, you know. Thank you so much for watching. I will be posting each week. I'm not really sure how many days each week because I need to figure that out myself, but I just really wanted to get this out there so I can start building a community again, and let's have a great time. Let's make this year amazing. Take it easy, everybody. Stay creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And girls and humans. Later, everybody.